Hey guys, Jim with Jim's Most DIY Garage. I haul frac sand. Most of you know that. I've shown pictures of the truck. I found somebody who's willing to speak out on how to immobilize an ELD so you can go back to paper logs. I don't know how reliable his info is. I don't know what he'll do to it, but his name's Ivar. I've heard he can be very loud, boisterous, rude, so any loud noises, I don't want to hear about it. I'm going to turn it over to him, and I set up 3 ELDs. We won't say where I got them. Hey boss, if you're watching this, they didn't come from you. I have no idea. I'll be on paper logs Monday. I'm having trouble with my ELD, so all right, here's Ivar. Angle so you can all see and hear him. It's dead. All right, guys, this is my friend Ivar. He speaks loudly. He don't argue. He don't like bullshit. He just likes having fun. All right, have fun. That's how you do an ELD.